Hi friends, plus one mathematics, statistics continued. We have seen mean deviation from the mean of given data, mean deviation from the median from a given data. Now we shall discuss variance. What is variance? The mean of the squares of the deviations from the mean is called variance, and it's denoted by the symbol sigma square. This is a Greek letter sigma. Then for variance we denote sigma square. Now consider some observations. x1, x2, x3 up to xn. There are n observations. How to find the variance of those observations? Variance is defined to be the mean of the squares of the deviations from the mean, and it is denoted by sigma square. Now sigma square is equal to 1 by n into sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar all square. This is the formula to be used. We are finding the mean of the squares of the deviations. Xi minus x bar is the deviation. We are taking its square. Mean of the squares. Therefore, sum of xi minus x bar all square divided by total frequency. Consider this case. There are n observations, x1, x2, x3, x4, etc. up to xn. In that case, we calculate the mean by adding those observations together and dividing it by the total figure n. Now let it be x bar. Then deviation of that mean from each observation is calculated, and we take the sum of those deviation squares. That is sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar all square. That is the sum. To get the variance, we divide that sum by n. That is sigma fi, total observations. And the same can be calculated using another formula. See, variance is equal to sigma xi square by n. We find the sum of the squares of the given observations. Sum of the squares of the given observations divided by the total number of observations minus mean square. Sigma xi by n is mean square. So to find the variance, we can accept this formula or this one. Answer will be the same. We shall discuss a problem. We are given some scores 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. Find the mean and variance of the data. First we find the mean, adding them together and dividing by 8. There are 8 figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Added them together, we get the 72 by adding those figures. The sum is 72. The number of figures is 8. Dividing 72 by 8, we get 9. 9 is the mean. Mean. Now variance is sigma xi minus x bar all square divided by n. So sigma xi minus s bar whole square is equal to, see, xi minus x bar for the first tabulation, the first figure, x bar is 9. 9 is subtracted from 6, minus 3. Square is 9. Second one, 9 is subtracted from 7, answer is minus 2. Square of it, 4. 9 is subtracted from 10, 1. Square is 1. Subtracted 9 from 12, 3. Square is 9. Here it is 4. Square is 16. Here it is minus 5. Square is 25. Here it is minus 1. Square is 1. And for the last figure, 12 minus 9 is 3. Square of it is 9. Adding them together, we get 74. Therefore, required variance is 74 divided by n. N is 8. 24 by 8 is 9.25. When all the figures are given, we can calculate the mean by adding them together and dividing the results by the total number. But if it is a grouped data, we find the total by taking the mid value of the classes given. That is already discussed, how to find the mean when the data is grouped. Right.